It's hard to believe it's only been about a year since Insta360 rolled out the X4, a 360-degree action camera that raised the bar with higher resolutions and smoother frame rates across nearly every shooting mode compared to its predecessor. While many competitors are still struggling to match the X4, Insta360 isn't one to rest on its laurels. Now, the company is marking its 10th anniversary with the launch of the Insta360 X5, a rugged new 360 degrees camera that represents more than just an incremental upgrade. The X5 packs a noticeably larger 1x1.28-inch sensor, a fresh triple AI chip, and, the headline grabber, a fully replaceable lens system. But the real question is, do these improvements justify moving up from the X4 to the X5? Considering the X4 already featured both standard and premium lens protectors and boasted a suite of advanced AI tools, the leap isn't as obvious as you might expect. Insta360 has earned a reputation for rugged cameras, and both the X4 and X5 live up to it with IP68 ratings, ready for adventure. Design-wise, they're nearly identical, matching dimensions, button placements, and a shared 2.5-inch touchscreen. The X5 shaves a bit of weight at 200 grams versus the X4's 203 grams, but the difference is negligible. One of the most noticeable changes is the microphone. The X5 features a larger housing with a multi-layer steel mesh wind guard, improving audio in windy conditions. The base has also been redesigned, swapping the old screw-on plate for a magnetic mounting system that makes switching mounts faster and easier. Another standout upgrade is the fully replaceable lens system. Unlike the X4's fixed lenses with optional guards, the X5 lets you swap lenses entirely, offering flexibility and easy protection replacements. The X5 also improves waterproofing, handling depths of up to 49 feet without a case, compared to the X4's 33 feet. Battery life gets a boost, too. The X5 houses a 2,400 mAh battery, providing up to 185 minutes of recording in endurance mode and supports fast charging, 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. The X4 uses a smaller 2,290 mAh battery with shorter runtime and slower charging. Lastly, Insta360 relocated the USB-C 3.0 port on the X5 to sit just below the buttons, a minor but tidy design tweak. Both the Insta360 X4 and X5 can capture immersive 360 degrees video at up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. They also handle 5.7K footage at up to 60 frames per second and drop to 4K for super smooth slow motion at 120 frames per second, all in full 360 degrees. When it comes to stills, both models max out at an impressive 72 megapixels. But here's where the X5 starts to pull ahead. It uses advanced super sampling from a native 11K capture, which means the footage looks sharper and more true to life, with noticeably less detail loss compared to the X4. Another major leap is the sensor. The X5 is equipped with a much larger 1x1.28-inch sensor, a significant upgrade over the 1x2-inch sensor found in the X4. This extra sensor real estate makes a huge difference, especially in challenging low-light environments, where the X5 delivers clearer, more detailed images with less noise. At the heart of the X5's image processing is Insta360's new triple AI chip system. It combines one advanced 5-nanometer AI chip with two dedicated pro imaging chips, working alongside the camera's refined stitching and noise reduction algorithms. The result? Footage that's incredibly clean and polished straight out of the camera. The lens specs have also seen a subtle change. The X5 shifts from the X4's f1.9 aperture and 6.7mm focal length to an f2.0 aperture and a 6mm focal length. While the slightly narrower aperture might sound like a step back, the larger sensor more than makes up for it, ensuring the X5 still delivers superior low-light performance overall. The Insta360 X5 builds on the foundation laid by the X4, refining and expanding its lineup of shooting modes to give creators even more flexibility. One of the standout additions is Instaframe mode, which lets you record both a traditional flat video and a full 360 degrees clip simultaneously, all in a single take. It's a smart solution for creators who want both perspectives without having to record twice. Another major upgrade is the introduction of Pure Video mode, originally featured on the Insta360 Ace Pro, now making its way to a 360 degrees camera for the very first time. While Pure Video on the A series was designed to boost wide-angle low-light footage, the X5 adapts this AI-powered tech specifically for 360 degrees shooting, delivering dramatically cleaner and more detailed results in dark or indoor environments. The X5 also introduces more intuitive controls for starting a recording. There's a new twist to shoot feature, which allows you to start recording simply by twisting the selfie stick. This joins enhanced voice commands, refined gesture controls, and seamless pairing with Insta360's optional remote for hands-free operation. Naturally, all the popular modes from the X4 are still here, including star-lapse, time-lapse, interval road mode, loop recording, bullet time, and time shift, ensuring you still have all the creative tools you've come to expect from Insta360. Insta360's companion app has long been considered one of the best when it comes to editing 360 degrees footage, and with the launch of the X5, it's received a fresh new update. The redesigned interface feels cleaner, more modern, and easier to navigate, making the editing process even more user-friendly. Among the new additions is One Tap to Warp, a handy tool that quickly removes fisheye distortion from your shots with a single tap. Exporting has also been streamlined, so trimming and sharing your footage is faster and more straightforward than ever. Of course, all the powerful tools that users loved from previous versions are still here, including Quick Edit, AI Edit, Shot Lab templates, and the full manual editing suite, giving both beginners and seasoned creators everything they need to polish their content. The Insta360 X5 officially launched with a recommended price of $550. You can pick it up through the Insta360 official store, Amazon, and various global retailers. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X4 is still available at a more affordable price of $500, and it's frequently found at an even lower price thanks to ongoing discounts. The Insta360 X5 builds smartly on the X4's success, adding a larger sensor, Pure Video low-light mode, a replaceable lens system, and the new InstaFrame feature, all designed with creators in mind. While the X4 already felt overpowered for its time, the X5 still manages to stand out as a worthy 10th anniversary release and a serious tool for content creators. If you own an X4, especially with lens guards, there's no rush to upgrade. It's still a fantastic camera. But if you're coming from an X3 or X2, the X5 is a big leap forward and well worth considering. And with the X5's arrival, keep an eye out. X4 discounts are likely just around the corner.